This pork chop casserole basically cook itself. Today we're making no peak pork chop casserole. The flavor next level. Let's get started. To begin, we're using 3 boneless, skinless pork chops. I'm going to pat them dry because I want a beautiful sear on them, and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, rub that in. Next, you're going to add your seasoning, mix that up. I have a little bit of creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and some dry parsley with some ground black pepper, okay? I wanna lock in the flavor, that's why I'm doing it this way. Honestly, you can just place it on top of your rice. You'll see what I'm talking about later on in the video. I have my pork chop nicely seasoned. Now it's time to pan sear it. To pan sear the pork chops, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Then we're going in with the pork chops, maybe a little bit more. This is to lock in the flavor, like I said. And we're going to pan sear it for about 1 minute per side, I would say, because we're not cooking it, we're just giving it some color. All right, now it is time to flip over our pork chops. They're looking so good. Look at that one. Yes, got a beautiful sear on there. Flip it over for 1 more minute, okay? Let's remove our pork chops. Beautiful, right? I know. You want that beautiful color. It makes the dish look more presentable to me, so we're going to set that on the side for now. So grab yourself a baking dish. You are going to pour in your rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice, 1 can of cream of chicken, cream of chicken, okay? I have 1 can of cream of mushroom going in. Now I'm going in with 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to add it gradually, so let's add half. Give it a stir. I'm going with my favorite of all time recipe secrets. This one is the onion flavor one. I'll link it for you guys just in case. Just sprinkle that. It's going to be so flavorful. Mix it up. Now I have a little bit of creole seasoning and some complete seasoning, very optional. About a few pinches to add more flavor. Almost there, okay? A little bit more. So about 1.5 cups, okay? I don't want it to stick, so I'm going in with a tablespoon of avocado oil, just a little bit, and then I'm going to mix it up. Now, I'm adding onion. All these on top, they're optional, okay? Add whatever, tomatoes, whatever you want to add. So these are my toppings. So I'm adding onions, a little bit of green beans on top. I'm adding a little bit of mushroom here and there. Now, all I can say, trust the process. I know it looks a little crazy, but the flavor, next level. Add your pork chops right in, just like this. And all the juice from the pork chop is just going to release into the rice. It's going to be so flavorful, okay? Adding a little bit of butter to make it nice and buttery, okay? Just like this. Going to cover it with a foil so we can bake it. Now we're going to bake it on 350 for about 1.5 hours. No peeking, remember. All right, guys, our casserole is ready. And it looks amazing. Listen, I've made casserole before, plenty. And this one is the best looking one, okay? And I'm sure it tastes as great as it looks. Let's give it a try. This 100% must try. Okay, absolutely flavorful, and y'all saw how it didn't take me much to make it. Do me a favor, like this video and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.